The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. Before reading the story, let's preview some vocabulary. We will go over the definitions of the words and do some example sentences. Pasture, an area of land covered with grass where animals like cows or sheep graze. The horses ran freely across the wide green pasture. Amuse, to make someone laugh or smile, to entertain or keep someone interested. The comedian's jokes amused the whole audience. Underbrush, small bushes, plants and shrubs that grow under taller trees in a forest. The deer hid quietly in the dense underbrush. Terror, a very strong feeling of fear or fright. The scary movie filled her with terror from beginning to end. Slip away, to leave quietly without being noticed, or to escape secretly. Time seemed to slip away as they talked late into the night. If you wish, pause the video now and practice making your own sentences with the vocabulary. Okay, let's read the story. The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. A shepherd boy tended his master's sheep near a dark forest not far from the village. Soon he found life in the pasture very dull. All he could do to amuse himself was to talk to his dog or play on his shepherd's pipe. One day, as he sat watching the sheep and the quiet forest and thinking what he would do should he see a wolf, he thought of a plan to amuse himself. His master had told him to call for help should a wolf attack the flock, and the villagers would drive it away. So now, though he had not seen anything that even looked like a wolf, he ran toward the village, shouting at the top of his voice, "Wolf! Wolf!" As he expected, the villagers who heard the cry dropped their work and ran in great excitement to the pasture. But when they got there, they found the boy doubled up with laughter at the trick he had played on them. A few days later, the shepherd boy again shouted, "Wolf! Wolf!" Again the villagers ran to help him, only to be laughed at again. Then one evening, as the sun was setting behind the forest and the shadows were creeping out over the pasture, a wolf really did spring from the underbrush and fall upon the sheep. In terror, the boy ran toward the village shouting, "Wolf! Wolf!" But though the villagers heard the cry, they did not run to help him as they had before. "He cannot fool us again," they said. The wolf killed a great many of the boy's sheep and then slipped away into the forest. Liars are not believed even when they speak the truth. Now let's do some reading comprehension questions. Refer back to the story at any time to find the answers. Try writing your answers on a piece of paper using complete sentences, then practice reading your responses aloud. Also, discussing the questions with a partner will help improve your understanding. 1. Why was the shepherd boy bored? 2. What did the boy do to amuse himself? 3. How did the villagers react the first time he cried wolf? 4. Why didn't the villagers help the boy later on? 5. What is the lesson of the story? If you have trouble finding the correct answers to any of the questions, see the video description for the answer key and links to additional learning resources. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more short stories and new English lessons.